What's up and good morning, guys? This is King Rancher 13. Welcome back to another video. This morning, gonna get a little protein shake in after leg day yesterday, which is the second time going to gym in like 7 months. So y'all comment down below, tell me that I'm getting fat and tell me to go to the gym. But anyways, today's gonna be a pretty exciting video. Yeah, there's something right. Nope. I think I showed you too much, but we're going to be going over that new 350 right over there. Kyle's about to pull up. He got some sausage from Louisiana when he went home for Christmas and the holidays, and we got to go get a deep freeze because my fridge in the house and in the garage is starting to kind of get full. So I need to get that deep freezer so we can also go get some deer potentially here in the next couple weeks. I don't know about y'all, but for hunting season, it has been so weird all across the country, I think, especially out here in good old West Texas around Lubbock. And I don't know what's going on. I think it's the weather. It's just been so warm. I mean, even yesterday it was like 65 degrees here, and it's like end of December, early January. So anyhow, we're gonna get a deep freeze and go grab a couple things, and then we're gonna be showing you this little present over here. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below on this video, and let's get going on this video. Man is back from Louisiana.
Got a Christmas gift for you.
Oh, snap. All right,
Have it too good.
Dude, is this thing huge or what?
Dude, this thing is
It's ginormous.
It might be at the 6. Is it a 4 to 6?
It's supposed to be.
I think it's at the 6.
All right, here you go. Is this appropriate for YouTube? Yeah, it's appropriate for YouTube.
Oh, no way. Where'd you get this?
I found it at an antique store, and I actually didn't even know these even existed. It's actually
Not
like
the shape, yeah.
well, no, it's like a special edition Magnolite. It's like a little special series they ran.
We're gonna make some food. Some sausage.
But yeah, I didn't even know they made those. I'd never seen those in my life. My mom had never seen them either.
Thanks,
Yeah.
bro. Oh, I'm so excited.
Dude, I saw that and I was like, yeah, I gotta get this for Bliss. I was like, I know you've been wanting one for a while.
I've literally been like looking at eBay and like Facebook Marketplace, and you don't know who's a scam and like which one's like a real authentic Magnolite, because I've heard there's a lot of fakes too, you know, like. But oh heck yeah! Oh, I'm stoked for that. Should we take this up with us to home, or you can take yours to?
I'll probably take mine because mine's a little bigger
Yeah,
if we
this
do.
one's a little-
Dude, this has got to be the 6-inch, bro. This
I
massive.
haven't showed too much yet, but oh dude, no, I'm excited for this video for sure. Yeah, so we're gonna run a few errands. We're gonna go get a deep freeze like I told you, and now that I've got this, I'm even more stoked to fill the deep freeze and like cook. I mean, shoot, I guess we could do deer and everything. I mean, you can cook anything in that Magnolite, like especially gravy. I'm excited to make gravy. But all right, let's go to Home Depot. Alrighty, let's go to Home Depot. Get us a little deep freeze. Or should we just get a big one?
Yep, big one.
Big one, yeah. You always get something smaller and then you're always wishing you got something bigger, you know? Oh, my legs are killing me. I'm trying to walk normal right now, but I feel like I have a stick up my butt. Is this normal? The pain. And why am I wearing shorts right now? It's freaking freezing. All right, if I was a freezer, I think I'm in the back. All right, let's see. Look, Home Depot boxes. Look at that. And by the way, Home Depot is my favorite. I prefer over Lowe's. I don't know. Let's see here. All right, this is why I like Home Depot. So it was $349, $299, and then if you look at the app here, $269. Then on top of that, thank you to my wife for her service, you get 10% off. So saving money's making money. Oh, this is not as heavy as I thought it'd be. All right, carry the boats. All right, it's starting to get heavy. My legs are done. Oh, they hurting. Feel the burn. All right, so it takes about 20 minutes for Home Depot to process a online payment to be able to get the discount, save 30 bucks. So I was like, all right, let's just show the truck here. So here is the brand new 2024 F350 King Ranch. All right, so here's the whole setup. This is a super lift 4 to 6 inch adjustable king coilover lift kit. And as you can see here, it's got the coilover kit. I want to say this is actually at 6 inches because it's at the very bottom. It would be 4 inches if it was up top. So this was supposed to be 4 inches, but I guess the guy that installed it, he didn't adjust it down. Which, you know, at the end of the day, I'm not too mad about. Like, I guess if I get tired of it being 2 inches too tall, I'll just adjust it, worst case scenario. But got the king coilover shocks right here. It's got the adjustable valve right here. And the tires are 37 by 1350 by 17 Nitto mud grapplers. And I'm very happy with this truck. So if you can see me standing right here, like, it's pretty freaking tall. So, I mean, man, I love how it looks. I've got, I think I did 20% on the windshield and then 5% on the side. So, windshield tint's pretty dark. Got the high output F350 King Ranch. Now in the back here, so to be able to get the proper spacing, if you look right here, fit my fingers in between here, this is gonna require a 3-inch spacer. I'll have links in the description below for everything that you see on this truck. And you know, that way if you wanna set up your 350 like this, you can just buy them through outdoortrucks.com. So speaking of which, that's a word from our sponsor, outdoortrucks.com, carrying all your truck parts and accessories for your trucks, Jeep, SUV, cars, anything you need. Go to outdoortrucks.com, and thank you for sponsoring our video. All right, now back to the video. So on the back side, I mean, this thing, it's got a booty on it. Like, it's fat. I mean, Kyle, how many inches is this right here?
It's gotta be about 4 or 5.
Yeah, about 4 inches, I would say. So, you know, fitting in parking spots is a little bit difficult, but I kind of got this truck like so I can have it as like one truck that is not necessarily a work truck. Not to say I won't use it for work, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty big. So when we get back to the house, we'll put my toolbox I've got. Of course, I always run a cam locker with the rail. And then that's my, if you saw the video before when we were transferring everything over, we did do a video transfer. Yeah, we did. Okay, that's the 70 gallon fuel tank right there. And then this is some parts. I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, I mean, this is the setup. Like, I don't know, it was a lot bigger than I expected to be, and it is nose down just a touch, so I'm gonna do something here in the rear end to kind of level it out a little bit, because right now, okay, I can't even measure with one hand, but yeah, it's got some forward rake to it, which I'm okay with, but because I'm not gonna be pulling as much, like, I want it to sit a little bit more level, empty as much as possible. But yeah, this is the new 350, guys. I mean, here's the inside if you haven't seen the inside of a King Ranch. Oh, by the way, I've got front valence there, so that'll be in another video. And I got some weather techs actually as well. But yeah, brand spanking new. Got 400 miles on it. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. We'll color match the bumpers here in a little bit and put an intake on. I don't know, let me know down in the comments below of what else you think I should do this truck, but pretty much, I mean, once we do a little bit tweaks here and there, like that I always usually do, I mean, I think it's gonna be set up pretty darn good. I guess one thing is put the go light on there, so that's another thing to put on. So yeah, I guess we got a list of things to put on that is only gonna make this truck look better, in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments below though, what y'all's thoughts are. Tell me if you would whip this. All right, so I don't know if y'all ever have a birthday around Christmas, but growing up, you typically don't get birthday presents and Christmas presents. But now, I just buy my own presents. So this is all the stuff for the 350. So we got cam locker toolbox, Gen Y hitch. I think that's for summer's expedition actually. And then some WeatherTech floor mats. Got another Wii boost as well. And I feel like I'm missing something else. Oh, go light mounting kit, and oh, we'll put the train horns on. I gotta fix some wire stuff on it. But yeah, this is all gonna go on real quick. So I'm gonna unbox this Gen Y first, because it's the easiest. Look at this packaging from Gen Y. So professional. Shout out to Gen Y. All right, and then this one is for the side-by-side actually. And it's, you see that? I don't know if you can tell. See that? Oh! And $50 cash, baby. That's a shout out to Gen Y. They were doing their Christmas or holiday special where they were putting cash. That's 50 real dollars. Hopefully it's real. That's pretty right there. That's gonna look pretty good on the back of side-by-side, huh? So it's 10,000 pound weight capacity, 1,500 pound tongue weight. Pretty good. That's unboxed. Next, the WeatherTechs. So this time I actually went with the floor liner HP, so it's not as stiff. I don't feel that compared to like my other ones in the past. Like feel they're less stiff, a little bit more rubberized. I just want to change it up a little bit. Let's see, this one's passenger. I don't know about y'all, but I put these actually on top of the other floor liners. All right, and then other side. Yeah, I like the rubber feel a little bit better. And then let's do the rears. Shake it up a little bit. Yeah, looks good. WeatherTech, baby. Alrighty, and last but not least, the toolbox. So this time I actually decided to change it up a little bit. And if you look at my other trucks, I've got the black cam lockers with the rails, low profile, and they're matte black, right? So this time, I don't know, I kind of had a wild hair. That was for dramatic effect. Ooh, look at that. That's a good look. I mean, I'm kind of partial. I kind of do like the matte black look, but then the glossy look looks good too. But the key thing is, gotta keep it clean. Because if it's gloss and it's not clean, then it just doesn't look good. Oh, my hammies. Ho ho. So now if you're running cam locker and you've got a fuel tank, you gotta make sure you're not pushing it all the way up to the fuel tank, because then you can't open this. So what I do is I open it all the way up, push it back to where it stops. Then you know you can always open up all the way. All right, find that rail, tighten it down. Okay, about finger tight. Same thing on the other side. Slide it over. Push it in. All right, now I always want to make sure it's centered up. I want to say that's fairly center, huh? Even on both sides, pretty center. And that is the cam locker. Ooh, how's that gloss black look? Oh, it looks so good. Heck yeah. All right, so that's it of all the truck's accessories for now. We'll do some more in some videos to come, but let's show y'all what the turning radius on something like this looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go into here and go to my off-road setting, and it's gonna show compass. Okay, here it is, off-road status. Sometimes it shows you like turning degrees. Oh, okay, all right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go to the left, and right now it's 0. We're completely straight. So I'm gonna turn until it rubs. The left is gonna rub a little bit more. All right, there we go. We're rubbing right there. It's at 32 degrees. That's full lock, yeah. All right, now I'm gonna turn to the right. And to the right, that's full. It's barely hitting something. Maybe a mud flap or something like that. I mean, that's pretty much full lock. Definitely we got full lock to the right. And then that was 37 degrees to the right. And then at 32 degrees to the left, it rubbed a little bit. So yeah, pretty much you almost have full lock going both ways. My bet is once I get my new traction bar with the, I'm giving you some insight to the next video, but I'm gonna get a track bar, aftermarket track bar with dual steering stabilizers. That's gonna center up that axle a little bit. So I should be able to get pretty much full lock both ways instead of the axle being shifted over to the left and it rubbing a little bit more when I turn all the way to the left. So I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be the next next thing that I'm gonna do to the truck. And then the next thing after that is gonna be figured out a little bit on the back end and seeing if I can get this truck to not be so nose down. But anyhow, guys, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end if you're seeing this. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty gorgeous right there. I'm not gonna lie. It's higher than I expected to be, but you know, I'm okay with it. All my other trucks are pretty stockish looking anyway, so this first time I've done a lift kit that wasn't the 3.5, and I'm pretty pleased with it. The ride's really good, turning radius is great. Yeah, I couldn't complain. So I'm gonna do some adjustments on the King shocks, and I'll kind of keep y'all in the loop on what setting. But right now on the front, I've got them turned all the way to the left. I haven't turned the ones in the back down yet, so we'll see if the ride gets a little bit better, and you know, maybe I'd want it a little bit stiffer than soft. We'll see. But anyhow, thanks so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about this truck and what y'all think I should do to it if I haven't done it already. And we'll see y'all on the next one.